Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for dropping in today. Today's treatment is a pre-poo treatment, and it is a pre-poo treatment is basically a treatment that is done prior to your cleansing or shampooing section of your routine. These treatments are amazing. They actually help with detangling, they help with adding moisture, they actually help with just adding shine to your hair prior to shampooing, because when you shampoo or you cleanse your hair, you are actually stripping off moisture in your hair, so it helps to have some type of moisture in to strip out instead of going in with the cleansing and having no moisture at all. I'm going to show you two ways of how I do this little concoction of mine. There is the long method and then there's the short method, so stay tuned guys. So you've seen how I've mixed the products and I've showed you the two different ways. So the first way, which is the easiest way, I literally add in the peppermint and that is going into my scalp now. And I'm not even going to bore you guys with how I do it, but I'm just going to quickly do a run through and like speed it up so you can quickly see how I put it in my hair.